you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you could be reminded every time I upload, honeys. Okay, so you get this gel base and top coat as a bonus with this 6-piece Beetles rainbow gel liners. I got it from Amazon and they were having a sale at the time. I'm not sure if they still are, but I will leave the link for all the products used in this video in the description index below as normal. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers for taking the leap of faith and subscribing to my channel. Yes, we are going to be doing amazing things here on Sharon's Nail Boutique. I have been so down and depressed lately. I finally found the time to do my nails last night, and I'll be getting that video up for y'all as well. It's a Valentines, not set completely, it's like a half a set, okay? Because I only did one hand, okay? Don't hate on me, don't judge. I did not feel like doing the other hand. I've been lazy, okay? I'm so sorry, guys. But really, really love that they gave full-size bottles as a bonus. That was really cool. I love Beetles products anyways. Their top coat is amazing. The base coat is amazing. The gel I love the most to glue on my tips is the Burano 3-in-1, but that's another video. This is just their bonus top coat and base coat that you get with this 6-piece rainbow gel liner Beetles set, as I said. And we will be getting into these gel liners in a second, sweetie. But look at that top coat, how thick it is. I love me a good thick top coat. Not too thick, but I love a good thick consistency when it comes to top coats. Now, I do notice that their top coat is thicker than the base coat, so that's good. These are the 6-piece. They are good for 12 months. I'm not sure if I think they're vegan, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. So it says valid for 12 months. That's awesome. So they last a year, or they're good for a year. Gives you the directions, ingredients, warning, all the good stuff on the back. Now this is where the magic is happening. Love these bottles, love the lids. I like how they, went with their own branding logo on here, and they didn't just do like the generic gel liner logo like some other places. This really separates them, I think, from other companies. I like when companies put their logo on there. It's a nice little added touch. So I'm taking my my D&D white gel polish, and I'm just doing a quick base, couple layers of that, and then we're gonna take our gel liners and do some swirls, and then we'll drag our liner through it and do like some pattern. I just want to get a good feel of how good these are, and as you can see, these colors are named as well. So, and it does give you warnings on the back here. It does give you directions. These are UV and LED. So, and it does say it suggests to cure for 60 to 90 seconds, I believe it said. So I'm just going in with my second layer here real quick of my D&D white gel polish. And then we're going to go in with each of those colors. And I start off, for whatever reason, I started off with the blue. But I should have started with pink and then ended with purple. But, you live and you learn. I know it's been a while. Let me just apologize for being off here and being not as consistent lately. Like I said, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's like the pandemic or what, but I have been just so down in the dumps lately. I haven't even been going to the gym, or I need to find my niche and just stick with it. I need to find what works and stick with it. I need to come up with something that's gonna, make me go viral, whatever, because most people will probably think like after 6 years and I've only gotten this far, like most people will probably say to give up. But I'm like, I look at it from like a different point of view. I'm like, I've been doing it this long. I can't give up now. Then all these years will be for naught, and I've come a long way. Like, if you look at my videos from when I first started, I literally started doing nails in my kitchen. I still record with my phone, That's neither here nor there because a lot of people record with iPhones and stuff. Now, mind you, I don't have an iPhone, I have an Android, so the lighting and stuff isn't as good as iPhones. However, it has gotten me this far, and I am thinking about upgrading my camera system, you know, maybe to an iPhone, maybe to a regular camera. I don't know, but I'm not really good at the whole editing and finding what camera is best. Like, I don't know. I feel like my videos definitely need better lighting and more consistency. Like, I need to start uploading multiple times a week. But I've also been thinking about, like, I don't know, like maybe switching it up a bit because I really enjoy forensic stuff, like forensic stories and investigations, ghost stories, stuff like that. And I was thinking maybe, I don't know, let me know what y'all think about this, but I was thinking maybe we could start doing nails. I also smoke, so I was thinking maybe we could do nails, smoke a little, and tell stories. Like stories like unsolved crimes, cold cases, stuff like that. Like people's stories who otherwise it wouldn't be told unless people were talking about them. And you know, I want to start doing like some research on some of these stories and getting them out as we're doing nails or without doing nails. Let me know what you all think about that in the comments below. Look at how pretty these colors are. Sorry, I'm all over the place, guys. It's like I have so much on my mind. Like there's so many things that I want to do, but I'm just not sure how to go about starting. I need to get like a more professional setting. Like I feel like there's a lot of people that like, you know, get these big beautiful houses that they rent and stuff like that so that they have like a good background setting for their videos and stuff. And I kind of feel like when it comes to that, I don't have that. But the room that I do my nails in definitely needs some TLC and needs to be spruced up some. That's why I'm always just focused on the table part. But there's definitely a lot that I want to do with my nail room and upgrade it, and I can't wait to do that video for you all because that definitely has been a long time coming. And like I said, I started in my kitchen and I'm now in like my own area. Like the mud room is my laundry room / nail room basically, but I'd like to get it upgraded to the point where it looks more like a nail room. Like a lot of the rooms that you see here on YouTube, the girls have them so nice. And yeah, I'd like to do like some stuff with pop art and bright colors and, you know, like candy stuff, lots of like pinks and lavenders, baby blues. Like I love colors, so I don't know, I just want to incorporate a lot of pretty girly stuff. So yeah, it'll be nice. And hopefully, you know, in time we'll be able to do that more so. But look at these colors though. Seriously, Beetles is definitely at the top of their game lately. A lot of their products I haven't even tried yet. Like I'm not sure if I've tried their foils. I know I've tried Burano's, but like this liner gel kit is bomb.com. I definitely want to try their Polygel kits because they're definitely affordable and they look like they're really well made. The quality is there, I think. So I'm thinking about trying one of Beetle's Polygel kits. Let me know if you all be interested in seeing that. I love these colors. They're so bright and vivid. And look at, like, it's literally your first coat is giving you so much life. And I think, I'm pretty sure, don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty sure it says on the bottle cured. And I'm pretty sure what that means is when it comes out of the lamp, you don't have to wipe it, I don't think. I think it just comes out cured and shiny. And they do come out shiny. So Before I put it in the lamp, I'm gonna take my other liner brush and pull it through the color so it gives you that like the pulled art effect, like the swirls. Excuse me, I'm just cleaning out my brushes from doing my nails last night. Oh boy. I'm gonna be doing a polygel set soon too for Valentine's Day using the polygels. I'm gonna be using a mix of polygels actually. I'm gonna be using SXC, McCart, and Astound. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna be using some glitters. I have so much catching up with y'all to do. So bear with me. What have you all been up to? How was your Christmas? How was your New Year's? What did you guys get? Did you get everything that you wanted? How was your holidays, guys? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from all of you. I don't really get to talk to too many of you. It really sucks too, because like I always comment and talk back to my subscribers, and I subscribe to everyone that subscribes to me. It's crazy. You should see how many notifications I get on my phone. Like, it's insane. My phone is just non-stop all day with alerts from YouTube. But it's no joke. I literally am subscribed to thousands of, not thousands, well, yeah, thousands, because I'm even subscribed to a whole bunch of people that aren't subscribed to me. But here's the thing. The way I look at it is, if you're going to ask somebody to subscribe to you and support you, the least you could do is support them, even if they don't have any content. It's just the idea of being subscribed back to from somebody that you enjoy their content from. It's a good feeling when you have the support back from someone that you've shown love to and you've supported. And that's one thing I never fully grasped or understood from people. Like, they're so quick to ask for people's support and their subscriptions, but they are less likely to show people love themselves. So I hope that I never get to that point where I'm so busy or so big that I can't even support back to people, you know, because it's people that make you what you are. It's the people subscribing that are making you this money, paying your bills and making you famous. So it's like, you know, you gotta give that love back. It wouldn't be right if you didn't. So this is the design, guys, and I really hope that you like it. I'm doing swatches of the colors here on the towel for you all, just to give you an idea of like how thick you could do the line, and then you could also do it like the really thin way. So there's so many angles that you can do, and so much art you could do with these liner brushes. I just love these new gel liners. I mean, obviously you could do the same thing with just gel polish out on a palette with your liner tool itself, but this is definitely like the next best thing. Like, this is it right here. Like, nobody really wants to have to pour out gel polish and use their liner brush if they don't have to. Like, if they can do this instead, it's much better, obviously. But yeah, like, I love these new liner gels. I think they're so cool. I haven't used one that sucked yet. The ones that I've gotten thus far, the Beetles, I also have the Beetles, and I have the RAR JS. I don't even know how to pronounce it, and I do not want to butcher it, but it's spelled RARJSM. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't even want to try to pronounce it like rare. So yeah, it's RARJSM. RareJSM. I don't know. I honestly don't know with that one. However, I really like them. I actually got the nude palette in that one, and there's a variety of colors everywhere from white to black and the nudes in between are like everywhere from like a light baby pink all the way to like dark brown. So really, really cool kit. These liner gel polishes are definitely a plus in my book. The Beetles for sure. Really like how pigmented they are and how bright the colors are. I really need to scoop up McCart's gel liner kit as well, because I really like their square bottles and I like the matte black. I haven't used theirs yet, so I really want to give it a shot and see how they are. I just don't like how one of their kits, like the 6-piece set, one of them is like $40. Like seriously, like I understand you're collaborating with a YouTuber, but no 6-piece gel liner kit is worth $40. Especially, you don't even barely get a lot of gel in these things, so they're literally used for designs, and they're not really meant for painting nails. Like you can do that, but they're not meant for that. $40 in my opinion, especially from McCart's stuff, is really good, don't get me wrong, but Beetles is too. There's no 6-piece gel liner set in my mind, unless it's like Kiara Sky or a brand like that. That should be $40, especially from Amazon. But I'm gonna give their rainbow one a shot because I really like the packaging and everything, and the colors are bright and vivid like these ones here. So I'm actually using the top coat that came as the bonus to top coat over this design. And I just, right away, I really, really love their top coat. It's super shiny, really, really nice and smooth to use. Yeah, I was actually very pleasantly surprised by this kit overall. Honestly, 10 out of 10 stars. I have no complaints about this whatsoever. The only complaint that I have, and it's not even really a huge one, the yellow gel liner brush itself had like a couple frayed bristles on the brush, so that would be the only thing, but I could cut that off so it won't mess up any future designs. But yeah, this is how it looks after being top coated, and it came out really, really pretty, guys. I highly recommend these gel liners. Again, I will leave all the links for the products that you saw here in the description index below, and a few others of my favorites. And I really, really hope that you guys enjoyed listening and watching, and I hope to see you in my next video, y'all. I love you all so much. Do not forget to please subscribe and share if you don't mind. Don't forget to smash that like button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, boutique babes. Love y'all.